Do you maintain assets and facilities? Do you want to increase productivity and reduce downtime? Then ShireSystem from Elecosoft is perfect for you. ShireSystem is one of the UK's leading CMMS and CAFM solutions. Used by hundreds of organisations across the UK and internationally, to ensure their maintenance teams can manage assets and facilities effortlessly so they can focus on future planned work. So what are the benefits of using ShireSystem in your organisation? Improve asset and facility performance, reduce downtime and track asset health, drive productivity, track work orders and stay connected with our range of mobile solutions, make data-driven decisions. Graphical KPI reports provide at-a-glance insight into performance, enhance health and safety, inbuilt safety notifications for work orders. Future-proof your business. A scalable, cloud-based solution with a range of adaptable modules for any size organization, developed through decades of engagement with an extensive global user community. ShireSystem is the solution that puts you in control of your maintenance strategy. Speak with us today to see how ShireSystem from Elecosoft can help increase productivity and reduce downtime.